these logarithms, and we want to evaluate it using base 10 and base e. The reason why we want to use either of those is that calculators only have base 10 and base e. So they'll have a log, and they won't have a number, and that's a log base 10, or it'll have ln, that's the natural logarithm, and they don't have a whole cadre of possible ways to solve it. So let's go ahead and evaluate this logarithm to the base 10. So log base 3 of 25, I need to change that base. So I have log base 3 of 25, and I'm just going to take log base 10 of 25 divided by log base 10 of 3. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a calculator and evaluate the log base 10. So log base 10 of 25 is approximately 1.3979, and it goes on forever. All right. And then log base 10 of 3 is 0.4771. And if you notice, because this number in the denominator is smaller than 1, this is going to be bigger. It's going to be bigger than 1.3979 on forever, which makes sense. Because if I look at this, log base 3, what exponent am I going to have to 3 to the base of 3 to equal 25? So that has to be bigger than the log base 10. So let's look at that. Let's take this division. Log base 25 divided by log of 3. And I get approximately 2.9300. All right. So that is the logarithm. Now let's look at the log base 3 of 25 using the natural logarithm. So I'm going to take ln of 25 divided by ln of 3, and then I'm just going to evaluate it. Same deal. So here I get 3.2189, and that's an approximate, and then ln of 3 on the bottom, and I get 1.0986. And once again, those go on forever. Dot, 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 up there. Okay, well, let's see what we get. Because I'm dividing by a number greater than 1, it's going to make this smaller, which I hope so, because these two numbers should agree. And let's see. Oh my, oh my, oh my. And we get 2.9299. And I actually made a mistake rounding up here. I rounded up and I should have rounded down. So these actually do agree, which is what we'd hope. Okay, let's do the same thing over here. Let's switch colors of ink. So if I'm finding log base 4 of 12, I'm going to go through the same process. So log base 4 of 12 equals log base 10 of 12. Notice I'm omitting the base 10. And divided by log base 10. Once again, it's omitted. Notice there's no 10 down there. of 4. And so now I take the log of 12, which is 1.0792, and it goes on. Divided by the log of 4, and I get 0.6021 on forever. All right, and then we divide. And I end up getting that it's approximately equal to 1.7925 on forever. And then base E, I'm going to go through the same process. Log base 4 of 12 should be equal to ln of 12 divided by ln of 4. ln of 12, I get 2.4849 on to infinity. And then I take ln of 4, make it 1.3863 on towards infinity. Okay, now double check that. And we get 1.792425, because it was 248, which is what we hoped it would be. So they work. These two numbers should both agree. Those should be equal.